Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by Angels in St. Catherine, just on the outskirts of Spanish Town. And we are giving you an update on two new fast food restaurants that opened out here. Popeyes and Burger King opened out here. Both are owned by RAL, Restaurants Associates Limited, and they are the franchise holders for both franchises in Jamaica. Now, have you guys noticed that a lot of investment is going into Spanish Town? You have these two restaurants, you have another two that opened on Burke Road, and RAL announced that they are opening 6 more restaurants in Spanish Town over the next 2 years. A lot of housing developments are going up in Spanish Town. And you have New Brunswick Village, where Sagicor spent $6 billion to build a commercial development and also a residential development. On the Spanish Town bypass, New Spanish Town Plaza, $1 billion investment is going up. And almost everywhere in Spanish Town you look, you see some sort of expansion or development going up. They're building a $6 billion hospital by the Spanish Town Hospital. So a lot of investment is taking place in Spanish Town. Really impressive, because Spanish Town had a very bad reputation, but all that seems to be changing now. Now we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what RAL, Restaurant Associates Limited, has planned for Spanish Town. We have videos up of the other developments we spoke about, so you can check those out. Restaurant Associates Limited is significantly expanding its presence in Spanish Town, St. Catherine. In February, RAL inaugurated 4 new restaurants, 2 Popeyes locations, a Burger King, and a Little Caesars outlet. These establishments are located across two key areas, Burke Road and Angels, underscoring RAL's commitment to the region. Looking ahead, RAL has announced plans to open 6 additional quick service restaurants in Spanish Town over the next 2 years. This expansion is expected to generate over 100 jobs, reflecting RAL's confidence in the area's economic potential and their decision to community development. These strategic initiatives not only bolster RAL's footprint in Jamaica, but also reinforce their role as a leading restaurant management company in the Caribbean. With over 60 RAL-operated restaurants island-wide, the company's ongoing investments highlight their commitment to providing diverse dining options and fostering economic growth in local communities. Alright guys, so that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think about these fast food restaurants expanding in Spanish Town, and also what you think about all the investment that is taking place in Spanish Town. It's like a renaissance going on in Spanish Town. It's moving slowly, but it's moving. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.